It's my first time to do something like this. So,
The mic's not picking it up.
Norman.
Go up, Nonoy.
Laki ng joint mo, pare, ah.
Filipino. Ang aking, my first poem for Maurice is a short one. It's
Okay.
about a quarrel I had with somebody on Facebook.
Must have been Jerry.
The quarrel is basically, well, of course, as usual, among Filipino culture, it's about
Louder!
opinions that don't meet. And in this case, the issue was about Mindanao. Remember that shooting in Basilan that got a couple
Okay.
several Marines killed. And then anyway, this guy has been wanting a war. The thing is, he thinks that the war in Mindanao would never reach Manila. Apparently, the guy hasn't been reading the newspapers. Two, the guy lives in North Carolina.
Oh.
And then, on top of that,
It's not Vince
what he
Rafael.
loves about himself is that he is a blogger, and he thinks that he is someone like Amando Doromila of it. And the guy doesn't even take account of facts. He just wants to yap. So finally, I said, in one of
There,
my
that's better.
quiet moments, something popped into my brain, and then I decided to write it on myself. So the
Read.
title is Dahil Lamang sa Mindanao. Daldal dito, daldal doon, gusto ng gera. Akala niya'y siya'y matalino, pero isa palang palengkera. Kalkal dito, kalkal doon, nagwawala dahil siya'y nagkakaroon. Talak ng talak na parang basurera, atat na magkagyera, pero di ko siya papatulan hanggang siya ay matuyuan. Ay, ano ba yan? Ang bibig ay mula sa basurahan. Mataas ang ere, lampas pa sa ulap. Di pala bakla, kundi bakla kausap. Bading daw ako, pero ang hindi niya alam, siya ang hindi mukhang katakam-takam. Malaki ang tiyan, my friends. Parang balugang bangag. Di mo alam kung buntis o kung may kabag. Kaya huwag papatulan. Sa puot niya'y ikaw ay matutunaw. Kung ano ang dakdak dahil lamang sa Mindanao. My next